Did you know the cooperative ties between Turkey and Russia are growing stronger in every sector? This unfolding relationship is not a mere coincidence but a strategic move, especially within the realm of energy independence, a major goal for Turkey. This tale of increasing collaboration and the quest for self-reliance is as intriguing as it is complex. Today, we will delve into this captivating narrative of power dynamics, diplomacy, ups and downs. But before we embark on this journey, do us a small favor. If you enjoy content like this, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Intel Prime. Your support helps us grow and continue to bring you more insightful content. Let's explore together. The roots of Turkey and Russia's relationship stretch back centuries, rich in historical heritage. With the Cold War's conclusion, both nations found new opportunities to cooperate. The 90s saw a swift development in their economic ties, but it was the dawn of the new millennium that marked a significant phase. A close dialogue between the leaders of both nations emerged, culminating in the establishment of the High-Level Cooperation Council in 2010, an institution that would shape their partnership. However, the path of bilateral cooperation between Turkey and Russia wasn't always smooth. The Syrian crisis tested the strength of their relationship, pushing it to the brink. But the mutual desire of the Turkish and Russian people for peace and stability prevailed. A normalization process was initiated and an intense bilateral political dialogue was re-established in the second half of 2016. Economic and trade relations have been the backbone of the Turkish-Russian relationship. Russia has consistently been one of Turkey's most significant trade partners. In 2019 alone, the trade volume between the two states soared to an impressive $26.3 billion USD. Turkey exported goods worth $3.8 billion USD, while importing goods worth $22.4 billion USD. Turkish contractors have realized a staggering 1,972 projects in Russia, worth over $75.7 billion. The investments both nations have made in each other's economies have reached a healthy $10 billion each. Energy is another crucial aspect of the Turkey-Russia relationship. The Turk Stream and Akuyu nuclear power plant projects have deepened the cooperation between Turkey and one of its leading energy suppliers, Russia. The Turk Stream natural gas pipeline, inaugurated on the 8th of January 2020, is a testament to this. Deepening the energy cooperation between Turkey and Russia is the focus on nuclear energy. One significant project that stands out is the Akuyu nuclear power plant. This joint venture between the two nations is not just a symbol of cooperation, but also a significant step towards Turkey's energy security. The plant is expected to meet approximately 10% of Turkey's electricity needs, reducing reliance on imported energy. Russia's role in this project is pivotal, providing both the technology and expertise to help Turkey develop its nuclear energy capabilities. The Akuyu nuclear power plant is more than a power station. It's a testament to the strong energy partnership between Turkey and Russia, ensuring a sustainable and secure energy future for Turkey. The burgeoning ties between Turkey and Russia have found a new frontier in the defense sector, particularly with the S-400 defense system. This Russian-made missile defense system has been a game-changer in Turkey's defense capabilities, as Turkey made the strategic decision to purchase it despite global controversies. The acquisition not only bolsters Turkey's defense, but also signifies a paradigm shift in its defense policy. This move has been seen as a bold step by Turkey, choosing to prioritize its national interests over international pressures. The S-400 defense system is not just a tool for national defense, but a symbol of the strategic bond between Turkey and Russia. It stands as another testament to the growing partnership between the two nations, underscoring their commitment to mutual defense cooperation and strategic partnership. Tourism is another significant area of bilateral relations. In 2019, Turkey welcomed over 7 million Russian tourists, setting a new record. In recent years, Russian tourists have consistently topped the list of visitors to Turkey. Turkey maintains an embassy in Moscow, consulates general in St. Petersburg, Kazan, and Novorossiysk, and an honorary consulate in Ekaterinburg. Similarly, the Russian Federation has an embassy in Ankara, consulates general in Istanbul, Antalya, and Trabzon, and an honorary consulate in Izmir. To summarize, the relationship between Turkey and Russia is a blend of historical ties, economic cooperation, energy partnerships, and tourism. It has weathered storms and emerged stronger. It's a testament to the power of diplomacy and mutual respect. The journey of Turkey and Russia's relationship is a captivating tale of two nations navigating the intricate world of international relations. In today's episode, we delve into the intricate web of Turkey's foreign policy, a nation caught between the West and the rising powers of the East. Let's get started. Turkey has a serious foreign policy dilemma given current geopolitical developments. On the one hand, Turkey is a NATO member and relies on the Euro-Atlantic Security Alliance against regional and global security threats. On the other hand, Turkey's political and economic expectations for membership of the West, as represented by NATO membership, have been challenged by Russian and Chinese political and economic influences in the last decade. Turkey's foreign policy orientation is therefore being shaped by these new political, economic, and security conditions. China and Turkey boast a long and fascinating history of exchange, dating back to their interconnectedness on the ancient Silk Road. This foundation of cultural and economic interaction has laid the groundwork for their formal diplomatic relations established in 1934. China and Turkey upgraded their relationship to a strategic partnership in 2010, becoming political, economic, and security partners. Prior to that, China played a minor role in Turkish foreign policy as an emerging economic actor alongside countries such as Brazil, India, and South Africa. Sino-Turkish bilateral relations have deepened since 2010, particularly in the economic field. However, their diplomatic status quo rests on two factors. First, the continued strengthening of economic ties. And second, a tacit understanding not to bring political disagreements to the table. All diplomatic activities are designed to protect this status quo. Let's take a moment to focus on the human and corporate connections between these two nations. There are thousands of Turks living in China, many of whom have established businesses, contributing to the Chinese economy. Their presence has added a unique human touch to the diplomatic relations, fostering cultural exchange and understanding. On the other side, a significant number of Chinese companies operate in Turkey, contributing substantially to the Turkish economy. These companies are not only involved in massive infrastructure projects, but also in sectors like technology and manufacturing. These human and corporate ties, while often overlooked, add another layer of complexity to the China-Turkey relationship, strengthening the economic bond while also creating new avenues for cooperation and potential points of contention. Although each country prioritizes the economic relationship, there is much about the bilateral relationship that looks like a one-way street. For example, since Jiang Zemin's visit in 2000, Chinese presidents have not paid an official visit to Ankara. Despite signing a strategic partnership, China does not view the relationship as a strategically significant one. Meanwhile, Turkey has paid several high-level visits to Beijing since 2000. Besides, President Recep Tayyip Erdogan's attendance at the opening ceremony of the 2017 Belt and Road Initiative (BRI) Forum in Beijing, he has paid 4 official visits to Beijing since 2014. Relations were strengthened by China's display of support for Turkey's elected government after the 2016 coup attempt, shown by a prompt visit from Deputy Foreign Minister Jiang Ming 3 weeks later. President Erdogan's speech at the 2017 BRI Forum's opening ceremony was in part to show appreciation. However, Beijing's treatment of the Uyghur population in Xinjiang remains a major cause of diplomatic tension. China has established internment camps to eradicate so-called terrorism in Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region, XUAR. Except for a few official statements, Turkey's government has not taken concrete steps against China's new securitization policies in the XUAR. China is inclined to play the Kurdish card in response to Turkey's official statements criticizing human rights violations. Trade between Turkey and China has grown steadily over the years, despite the political tensions and complex historical backdrop. In fact, China has become Turkey's second-largest import partner, a testament to the intertwined economies of these two nations. Turkey's main exports to China comprise of mineral fuels and oils, precious stones and metals, products that are integral to China's bustling industries. On the flip side, Turkey's primary imports from China include machinery, electrical equipment, and textiles. These are vital cogs in Turkey's own economic machinery, supporting its domestic industries and consumer markets. Despite the trade imbalance, with imports outweighing exports, Turkey remains keen on increasing its exports to China. This economic interdependence underscores the complexity of their bilateral relationship, a delicate balancing act between political tension and economic pragmatism.
Join Intel Prime Channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.